Lesson number 4. Fractions. Warm-up time. To show how well I understand fractions, I only did half of my work, madam. Learning time. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that may look different but are equal to each other. Two equivalent fractions may have a different numerator and a different denominator. A fraction is also equivalent to itself. In this case, the numerator and denominator would be the same. A by B equals to C by D. Let's take a moment to demonstrate the concept of equivalent fractions. Follow the steps below. 1. Take a sheet of paper and fold it twice, creating 3 equal sections. 2. Now shade 2 of them. The shaded portion represents 2 by 3. 3. Fold the paper again in the other direction but down the center of the paper. The shaded portion is now 4 by 6. The shaded portion of the paper does not change. So the fraction of the paper shaded does not change. The fractions 1 by 4, 2 by 8 and 4 by 16 are equivalent. 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8 equals to 4 by 16. Equivalent fractions can be created by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same number. This number is referred to as a multiplier. We can do this because if you multiply both the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number, the fraction remains unchanged in value. In the demonstration above, we could get the fraction 9 by 15 by multiplying both the top and bottom of 3 by 5 by 3. 3 by 5. 3 into 3 by 5 into 3 equals to 9 by 15. Mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fractions 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2, 4 1 by 2. Improper fractions. Mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 equals to 7 by 2. 2 into 4 plus 1 by 2 equals to 9 by 2. Conversion of improper fraction 7 by 4 into mixed fraction. 7 by 4. 1 3 by 4. The mixed fraction of 7 by 4 is 1 3 by 4. Mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction and improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. We can express a mixed fraction as an improper fraction. Improper fraction equals to whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Thinking skills. Test for equivalent fractions. Multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. If both the products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. Activity 1. Number 1. Write the equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. 1. 5 by 10. 2. 4 by 12. 3. 6 by 24. 4. 7 by 35. 5. 3 by 12. 6. 15 by 20. 7. 18 by 45. 8. 16 by 32. Number 2. 1 by 2 equals to dash by 4. 1 by 3 equals to dash by 6. 2 by 6 equal to dash by 12. 1 by 2 equals to dash by 8. 1 by 3 equals to dash by 12. 2 by 6 equals to dash by 3.
Reducing a fraction to its lowest terms. Consider the following two fractions, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. These fractions are equivalent fractions. They both represent the same amount. 1/2 of an orange is equal to 2/4 of an orange. However, only one of these fractions is written in lowest terms. If fraction is in lowest terms, when the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 share a common factor 2. We can reduce this fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their common factor 2. 2 divided by 2 by 4 divided by 2 equals to 1 by 2. 1 and 2 have no common factor other than 1. So the fraction is in lowest terms. Method 1. Common factors. Let's try another example. 30 by 36. Do 30 and 36 share any factors other than 1? The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 30 and 36 have 3 common factors, 2, 3 and 6. Let's see what happens if we divide the numerator and denominator by their lowest common factor 2. In fact, we had know they have 2 common as a common factor without having to work out all their factors because both 30 and 36 are even numbers. 30 divided by 2 whole by 36 divided by 2 equals to 15 by 8. Are we done? Do 15 and 18 share any factors other than 1? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 15 and 18 have one common factor 3. Once again, we divide the numerator and denominator by their common factor 3. 15 divided by 3 whole divided by 18 divided by 3 equals to 5 by 6. Are we done? Do 5 and 6 share any factors other than 1? The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 5 and 6 have no common factors other than 1. This method will reduce a fraction to its lowest terms, but it can take several steps until you reach that point. What would have happened if, instead of dividing the numerator and denominator by their lowest common factor, we had started with their greatest common factor? Method 2. Greatest common factor. A more efficient method. Let's try it again. 30 by 36. Do 30 and 36 share any factors other than 1? The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 30 and 36 have 3 common factors 2, 3 and 6. The greatest common factor is 6. Divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. 30 divided by 6 whole divided by 36 divided by 6 equals to 5 by 6. This time, it takes only one step to get into the result. To reduce a fraction to its lowest terms, divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest. Method 3. Prime factors. Another way to reduce fractions is to break the numerator and denominator down to their prime factors and remove every prime factor the two have in common. Let's do that example one more time using this method. 30 by 36. The prime factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. The prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We remove the 2 into 3 numerator and denominator have in common. 5 divided by 2 into 3 equals to 5 by 6. Activity 2. Roman number 1. Reduce the lowest terms by dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. 1. 6 by 18. 2. 12 by 18. 3. 18 by 27. 4. 10 by 40. 5. 16 by 60. 6. 14 by 49. 7. 15 by 20. 8. 14 by 21. Comparing and ordering of fractions. Sometimes we need to compare two fractions to discover which is larger or smaller. There are two easy ways to compare fractions: using decimals or using same denominator. The decimal method of comparing fractions. Just convert each fraction to decimals and then compare the decimals. Example: which is bigger, 3 by 8 or 5 by 12? Convert each fraction to a decimal. We can use the calculator 3 divided by 8 and 5 divided by 12, or the method on converting fractions to decimals. Anyway, these are the answers I get. 3 by 8 equals to 0.375 and 5 by 12 equals to 0.4166. So, 5 by 12 is bigger. The same denominator method. 3 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator in 3 by 4. The denominator is the bottom in a fraction. It shows how many equal parts the time is divided into. When two fractions have the same denominator, they are easy to compare. Example: 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 9 because 4 is less than 5. But when the denominator are not the same, we need to make them the same using equivalent fractions. Example: which is larger, 3 by 8 or 5 by 12? Look at this. When we apply 8 into 3, we get 24. And when we apply 12 into 2, we also get 24. So, let's try that. Important. What we do to the bottom, we must also do to the top. 3 by 8 equals to 9 by 24. And 5 by 12 equals to 10 by 24. We can see that 9 by 24 is smaller than 10 by 24 because 9 is smaller than 10. So, 5 by 12 is the larger fraction. Making the denominators the same. There are two main methods to make the denominator the same: common denominator method or the least common denominator method. They both work. Use which one you prefer. Example: which is larger, 5 by 6 or 13 by 15? Using the common denominator method, we multiply each fraction by the denominator of the other. 5 by 6 equals to 9 by 90. 13 by 15 equals to 78 by 90. We can see that 78 by 90 is larger fraction. So, 13 by 15 is the larger fraction. Activity 3, Roman number 1. Compare the following fractions and put greater than or less than in that. 1. 4 by 9 dash 5 by 8. 2. 6 by 7 dash 6 by 11. 3. 3 by 7 dash 5 by 7. Roman number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. 1. 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 2 by 3, 11 by 12. 2. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15, 1 by 2. 3. 1 by 3, 3 by 10, 5 by 6, 2 by 5. Roman number 3. Arrange the following in descending order. 1. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. 2. 2 by 7, 11 by 35, 9 by 14, 13 by 28. 3. 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 7 by 12, 7 by 24. Addition of fractions. Adding fractions is done differently than the usual numbers. Normally, while adding or subtracting fractions, you will find two types of problems. Type 1. Where the fractions being added have the same denominator. Example, 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11. Type 2. Where the fractions being added have different denominators. Example, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. For type 1 problems, we just need to add the top part's numerator of the fractions and leave the denominator as such. So, to solve the problem in the above example, the solution will be 3 by 5 plus 5 by 11 equals to 8 by 11. For type 2 problems, where the denominator is different, we cannot add these fractions by simply adding the numerator. In order to solve these problems, first, we will need to make into fractions with the same denominator. See how this is done in examples below. Example 1. Solve 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Changing both fractions to a common denominator, see the comments on the right. Steps. To solve this problem, first we will need to look at the denominators 3 and 5 and see what multiples of these numbers are common. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, in multiples of 3 and 5, the least common multiples is 15. Now, we will change 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 into their equivalent fractions with denominator 15. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 6 minus 3 by 9 minus 4 by 12 minus 5 by 15 equals to 1 into 5 by 3 into 5. 2 by 5 minus 4 by 10 minus 6 by 5 equals to 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. Activity 4. Add the following fractions. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5. 3 by 6 plus 1 by 2. 4 by 5 plus 1 by 4. 7 by 8 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 4 plus 4 by 8. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 6. 4 by 6 plus 4 by 8. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 8. 2 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 7 plus 6 by 7 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8 plus 2 by 8. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Word problems on addition. 1. On Saturday, 3 by 4 of a 5th grade class went to see a new movie. If 1 by 2 of the class went to the afternoon session, what fraction of the class went to the evening session? 2. At a class party, 4 by 8 of a vegetarian pizza and 1 by 4 of a cheese pizza were eaten. How much pizza was eaten altogether? 3. Rani ran 2 by 3 of a marathon. Julia ran 5 by 6 of a marathon. Who ran farther? How much farther? Four. Ram and Sam shared a chocolate bar. Ram ate 4 by 12 and Sam ate 3 by 6. Who ate more? How much more? 5. Mohini bought 6 by 8 kilogram of bananas. She ate 1 by 4 kilogram of bananas on the way home. What fraction of the bananas were left? Subtraction of fractions. To subtract fractions with different denominators. Find the lowest common factor LCF of the fractions. Rename the fractions to have the LCF. Subtract the numerators of the fractions. The difference will be the numerator and the LCD will be the denominator of the answer. Simplify the fraction. Example. Find the difference between 3 by 12 and 2 by 9. Determine the greatest common factor of 12 and 9, which is 3. Either multiply the numbers and divide by the HCF. 9 into 12 equals to 108, 108 by 3 equals to 36. Or divide one of the numbers by the HCF and multiply the answers time the other number. 12 by 3 equals to 4. 9 into 4 equals to 36. Rename the fractions to use the lowest common denominator. 3 by 12 equals to 9 by 36. 2 by 9 equals to 8 by 36. The result is 9 by 36 minus 8 by 36. Subtract the numbers and put the difference over the LCF equals to 1 by 36. Activity 5. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 7 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 8 by 9 minus 2 by 9. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 5 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 4. 9 8 by 9 minus 8 2 by 9. 1 7 by 8 minus 1 3 by 8. 7 4 by 9 minus 2 7 by 9. 3 4 by 5 minus 1 1 by 5. Word problems on subtraction. Example 1. A recipe needs 5 by 12 teaspoon black pepper and 1 by 6 red pepper. How much more black pepper does the recipe need? Solution. The fact that the problem is asking how much more black pepper the recipe needs is an indication that 3 by 4 is bigger than 1 by 4. However, it does not hurt to check. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. The black pepper is 1 by 2 of a teaspoon more than the red pepper. Example 2. A football player advances 2 by 3 of a yard. A second player in the same time advances 5 by 4 of a yard. How much more yard did the second player advance? Solution. 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3 equals to 15 by 12 minus 8 by 12 equals to 7 by 12. 6 by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. So, 7 by 12 is just a bit more than half. So, the second player advanced by about half of the yard more. Activity 6. 1. Raju gave 5 by 12 of his property to his wife, 1 by 6 to his daughter, and the remaining to his son. What part of Raju's property did his son receive? Two. Rani wants to buy a book worth of 100 rupees. She has 25 2 by 4 with her. How much more money does she need to buy the book? Three. Mohan jumped 5 meters in a long jump and his classmate Sohan jumped 15 by 8 meters less than Mohan. How long was Sohan's jump? Four. A vessel had 4 1 by 4 liters of milk. Out of it, a cat drank 3 by 8 liters. How much milk was left in the vessel? Five. Lakshmi purchased 12 meters of cloth. She used 7 3 by 4 meters of it for curtains and 1 5 by 6 meters for a bed sheet. How much cloth is left? Multiplication of factors. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. We have already learned that multiplication is a repeated addition. For example, 4 into 3 equals to 4. Repeated 3 times equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. Let's see the following example. Multiply 1. Remember the rule. A fraction into a whole number equals to numerator of the fraction into whole number whole divided by denominator of the fraction. Activity 7. Multiply. Number 1. 1 by 3 into 5. 2. 1 by 4 into 5. 3. 2 by 3 into 7. 4. 5 by 6 into 8. 5. 7 by 8 into 10. 6. 3 by 5 into 6. 7. 12 by 25 into 10. 8. 16 by 13 into 12. 9. 7 by 8 into 9. 10. 5 by 9 into 15. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. There are 3 simple steps to multiply fractions. Number 1. Multiply the top numbers, the numerators. 2. Multiply the bottom numbers, the denominators. 3. Simplify the fraction if needed. Example: 1 by 2 into 2 by 5. Step 1. Multiply the top numbers. 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 equals to numerator 1 into 2 equals to 2. Step 2. Multiply the bottom numbers. 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 equals to 1 into 2 by 2 into 5 equals to 2 by 10. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 2 by 10 equals to 1 by 5. Another example. 1 by 3 into 9 by 16. Step 1. Multiply the top numbers. 1 by 3 into 9 by 16 equals to 1 into 9 equals to 9. Step 2. Multiply the bottom numbers. 1 by 3 into 9 by 16 equals to 1 into 9 whole divided by 3 into 16 equals to 9 by 48. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. 9 by 48 equals to 3 by 16. Remember the rule. Product of the fractions equals to product of their numerator by product of their denominator. Activity 8. Multiply. 1. 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 2. 5 by 4 into 2 by 3. 3. 3 by 4 into 5 by 7. 4. 5 by 6 into 9 by 10. 5. 13 by 23 into 46 by 39. 6. 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. 7. 23 by 5 into 7 by 13. 8. 3 by 5 into 61 by 14. 9. 7 by 10 into 5 by 21. 10. 71 by 12 into 5 by 21. Word problems on multiplication. Example 1. A recipe needs 1 by 4th tablespoon salt. How much salt does 8 such recipe need? Solution. 1 by 4 into 8 equals to 1 by 4 into 8 by 1 equals to 8 by 4 equals to 2. To make 8 recipes, we need 2 tablespoons of salt. Example 2. Peter's truck gets him 10 2 by 3rd miles per gallon. Suppose Peter's tank is empty and he puts 5 1 by 2 gallons. How far can Peter go with the truck? Solution: 10 2 by 3rd into 5 1 by 2 equals to 10 into 3 plus 2 by 3 into 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 32 by 3 into 11 by 2. 10 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 2 equals to 32 into 11 by 6 into 352 by 6 equals to 58.66 miles. Activity 9. 1. The cost of 1 liter milk is 26 3 by 5 rupees. What is the cost of 12 1 by 2 liters of milk? 2. The cost of a pencil is 3 13 by 20 rupees. What is the cost of 12 such pencils? 3. 1 liter of a petrol costs 24 4 by 5 rupees. What is the cost of 35 liters of petrol? 4. Rajan can walk 5 2 by 5 kilometers in an hour. How much distance will be covered in 31 by 3 hours? N- 5. A water tank can hold 42 1 by 4 liters of a water. How much water is contained in half tank? Division of fraction. There are 3 simple steps to divide fractions. Step 1. Turn the second fraction, the one you want to divide by, upside down. This is now a reciprocal. Step 2. Multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. Step 3. Simplify the fraction if needed. Example: 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. Step 1. Turn the second fraction upside down. It becomes a reciprocal. 1 by 6 becomes 6 by 1. Step 2. Multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. Multiply tops. 1 by 2 into 6 by 1 equals to 1 into 6 whole divided by 2 into 1 equals to 6 by 2. Multiply the bottoms. 6 by 2 equals to 3. Step 3. Simplify the fraction. It gets 3. Remember the rule. Writing the reciprocal of a number, to write the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of a fraction, we interchange the denominator and the numerator of that fraction. To divide a fraction by a whole number. Step 1. Multiply the bottom number of the fraction by the whole number. Step 2. Simplify the fraction if needed. Example: 1 by 2 divided by 3. Step 1. Multiply the bottom number of the fraction by the whole number. 1 by 2 into 3 equals to 1 by 6. Step 2. Fraction is already as simple as possible, so no need for step 2. Answer: 1 by 2 divided by 3 equals to 1 by 6. Activity 10. Roman number 1. Find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following. 1. 12 by 2. 2. 3 by 5. 3. 1 by 8. 4. 24 by 13. 5. 65 by 8. 6. 26 by 7. 7. 39 by 14. Word problems on division. 1. Mrs. Smith had half of a pumpkin pie left over. She split the leftover pie evenly between her 3 children. What fraction of a pie did each child get? Two. There are 3 pizzas. Each child will get 1/4 of a pizza. How many children will get pizza? 3. 6 people share 3/4 kg of a chocolate equally. How much chocolate does each person get? 4. If a tortoise is timed traveling an average of 1/3 miles per hour, how long would it take the tortoise to travel 6 miles? 5. If the cost of 3 1/4 kg of sugar is 1063 by 5 rupees, find the cost of 1 kg of sugar. Max Lab activity. Fraction spinner. Directions. To use the spinner, you will need a paper clip and a pencil. Put the paper clip down with one end over the center dot. Put the pencil point down inside the paper clip and hold the pencil in place. Thump the paper clip. It will spin around the pencil point and point to one section on the fraction spinner.